What's up, you guys? It's your girl, and today we are coming at you with another clothing haul. Yes, today we are working with African Mall. Everyone and their moms has tried African Mall, so I want to see what the hype was all about and see if it's worth the coin. It is one of those like wholesale sites, I think, one of those sites that has clothes for the lolos. So it's back to school season, you know the vibes. I'm trying to put y'all on because I know, especially when I was in school, I was a broke hoe, so these type of websites will come in clutch. And as always, I want to put you guys on because you're my girls and y'all know this. So this package right here, I just busted it open. So the first thing I see is, I think there's a dress. Yeah, it's a cute little dress. It's very lightweight, like thin material, so perfect for summer still. But I think you can get away with wearing this to school if your school allows like the thin straps. I know when I was in school they didn't allow that and I would get in trouble all the time. But yeah, this is a nice little bodycon dress, very cute. It's this slime booger green. Pair this with some white sneakers for a Cher from Clueless kind of vibe. Next thing, ooh, I was excited about this one. This one's hella cute. It is this little baby t-shirt and it has the airbrush like angel on it. Well, it's not airbrush, it's just like a graphic, but it looks like that airbrush kind of font and just says angel on it. Like, isn't this so cute? It's a little baby t-shirt. I got the little baby sleeves. I can't wait to wear this. Actually, this is hella cute. I got everything in a small, by the way, guys. Wait, what the fuck is this? Oh, I know what this is. It's a two-piece set. Okay. And it's like a little, oh, this is cute. It's really thin though. Like the material is so thin. Like, it's super thin. Like you could see right through it. This is not gonna cover nothing. But anyways, it goes like, it's like a little top and a little skirt. But the skirt has this cute little like fluffy ring. And like a little slit to show some thigh action, you know the vibe. And it's just like fuzzy on the side. Like I really wish I had like a summer birthday, because it's just so much easier to like get cute and dressed up in the summer. Like my birthday is dead ass freezing every year, so I never be knowing what to wear. But yeah, the fuzzy is like really soft. It's not like that cheap fuzzy that like sheds a lot. It's just the material is so thin. Like my muffin tops are gonna be poking through this. I don't know. Yeah, that's that. Ooh, I forgot about this. This is cute too. So we have another two-piece, I think. Yeah. Okay, so it's like this little, it's kind of like a Burberry type print. Not really, but it's just like plaid, I guess. And it has this little bandeau top, and then is this a skirt? Oh no, it has these leggings. So it's a two-piece like that, boom and boom. So yeah, hopefully it's cute, hopefully it's flattering. This is like super high-waisted. Like look at that drop crotch. Like that is so high-waisted. Like that's about to go up to my boobs. But hopefully it fits me right. I don't know if African Mall is like designed for like taller girls or smaller girls. Like I don't know. Like I'm just praying like everything fits me okay. What does it say? Oh, I have another bandeau top. I honestly got like hella summer clothes. Like you probably can't even wear half this shit to school, but and it just says Romeo. And it's just a simple bandeau top. I thought this would be good to pair it in one of my bundles. So yeah, it's got that oh, that old English font. Yeah, it has that old English font, so that's super cute. The quality on these items are not amazing. That's as expected, being that it is a wholesale site. So I mean, it's fine. What is this? I don't remember ordering this. Yeah, I definitely did not order this, because never in my life would I wear something with these little grandma buttons. Like never in my life. I don't know where this came from, but it's just a random ass dress. Let me see, is it even my size? Because I know I definitely did not order this dress. So that's mad random, but okay. What is this? I don't think I ordered this either. Oh. Is this This looked different on the website, I feel like. I don't know, but it's like a two-piece blue plaid set. I'm honestly not feeling it. It has like pink and green like in the boxes and the cubes. Like it looks really cheap. Like I'm not like a fan of like the color scheme going on. Like this is, they used a completely different picture on the website. Like this is just fucking random as hell. Like it looks cute from a distance. Like when I'm holding it up right now, it looks cute. Like up close, it just looks so ghetto. Like I cannot, like it reminds me of like the Windows like startup dial up on the computers or whatever. I don't know how I feel about that one. Which sucks because I was like really excited for that set to come in too. I was like, ooh, that shit better be mad cute. What the fuck is this? Oh, this is cute. Okay, it is this shirt. It says Cosmic on it. And then you guys know I love anything iced out, blinged out, rhinestoned out. And these have like the big fat rhinestones. So that's really cute. I'm used to getting like the little tiny rhinestones. But I actually really like this shirt. And the quality is not that bad on this one. It's not like super thin. And it's slightly stretchy. That was a good cop. And last but not least, there's a little box. I don't remember what I got. Okay, so first it comes with this pink fuzzy box and then this white box. So I want to see what's in the fuzzy box. Oh, so cute. Okay, so it's this like little rhinestone pin and it says heaven on it. Oh, I love the packaging for it. Wait, that was actually mad cute. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's just like a blinged out little pin. It's kind of like bobby pin style. So, oh, that's cute. I forgot I got that. And now I don't know what's in here. This one's kind of heavy. Okay, the box says African Mall on it. Okay, cute. Oh, ooh, they're earrings. Oh, how cute are these babies? Look how cute. It's probably not gonna focus on them. But yeah, you see them? Ooh, they all blinged out and stuff. These are so cute. I actually bought these to put in like bundles for y'all, but I might keep them because they're really cute. They're just like rhinestone little hearts. Ah, so fucking cute. Oh, I almost dropped it. Alright y'all, so that is all the clothes. All in all, I did like the majority of it. I'm not gonna say it's like great quality because as y'all know, it's like a wholesale kind of site. So a lot of the clothes are just like that cheap fast fashion, like doo-doo quality. But it's not terrible. Like it's not great, but it's not terrible. So if you're just looking to wear something, you know, one time real quick, and or you're looking to just cop something for the low, I do recommend it. They have a lot of cute options. They have a lot of clothes and they have a lot of Y2K inspired pieces, which is what I fucked with, of course. The shape of the clothes is really flattering though. Like it does make you, like it does hug you in the right places, you know what I mean? Like the waistband on like the leggings and stuff just like falls like in your waist and snatches you up a little bit. So I mean that's like a good thing, I guess. But yeah, I'm still gonna wear the clothes. I do really like it. I do like the set. Like I like the Burberry set and the pink fuzzy set. Those were my favorites. If y'all want to shop any of the stuff, I'll try to leave the links down below and all the information and the website and all that good stuff. And as always, follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it right here. I love y'all so much. Am I out of focus? But yeah, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. I love y'all so much, and I will catch y'all in the next one.